Alright. I'm going to prove that I'm smart. That's... Well, I don't know about this one. Should finish this up. But it said there, find the code. I'm pretty sure it's buried in here somewhere. Oh. Holy shit. It's code 3056. Oh. 35. Oh shit. 3056. Let's go. Right, next. The code is 1655 is right. 1655. Let's go. That's easy. What is this? A lot of noobs. Alright. What's this? Chair. Ooh, instructions. The first digit is the number of trees. The second and third digits are the number of noobs. The last digit is the number of benches plus bushes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So 8. The next is second digits. Second and third digits are the number of noobs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god. Alright, ulitin natin. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What? 13? Oh, 1, 3. Wait, no. 1, 3. Try natin. 1, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Let's go. Alright. Oh, this thing again. A guardian in the night, melting as I fight. With each drip I give my light, holding back the endless night. A guardian in the night, melting as I fight. With each drip I give my light, holding back the endless night. I see all the things. What's that? A key. Oh, maybe this. A torch. Yup, let's go. Nice. I have a face that never frowns, hands that do not wave day and night. I tirelessly work, counting moments in my silence cave. Hands that do not wave day and night. I tirelessly work, counting moments in my silent cave. Wait. Ito ata eh. Right? Ito lang naman yung ano dyan. Nice. 3. A silent keep full of thought. In my embrace, battles are fought. Kingdoms rise and fall. Yet I do not move, speak, or call. Let's go. I really like that. Ganda nun. Okay, ito naman. 3525. Oh my god, ito na naman. 3525 9110 1091. Oh wait, pagka yung number merong 9110 101 siya lagi. Kasi so ito 3525. Anong value ng 0 dito? 9. Wala ka. 0. So 5 doon. 3 5 5 5 5 plus 5 10 3 6 5 no 3 plus 2 5 5 plus 1 6 so 60 9110 9 plus 1 10 1 plus 10 ay 1 plus 10 ay 1 plus 9 10 plus 1 is 1 on 1. Dito rin, parehas lang. Plus 5, 10, and 0 plus 0 is 0, so 100. Oh, I'm so smart. I'm so smart. Like, I'm so smart. Alright, next. There is a way. Okay? There is a way. Okay, there's a way. Where's the way? What the hell? There is a way. What the hell is this? Above average IQ. What the hell? 75. Let's try this. Reset. Wait, I saw a thing. I saw a thing. Wait. I saw like wait, what the hell is that? Wait. There is a way. What is the way? I can face through here, but not here or here or here or here. You'd be like a oh, yes! Oh my god, yes! 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 Oh my god, let's go. Oh! Tama ako. Next. Red, green, blue, yellow. Red, green, blue, yellow. Okay, 6038. That's kinda easy. Alright. I don't know what else does it mean. Okay, the code is we what? Alright, let's see these computers. Wait, this is 2. Wait, what's this? 2 percentage 2 25 25 25 25 2578 I think 2578. Yeah, 2578. Let's go, man. Alright. Next, the code is time. The time in this room. Example, if it's 1040, the code will be 1040. Let's try 1040 first. Not 1040. What's the time in this room? Wait, here. What is this? It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a shorter one. We need the long one. Where's the long one? Ito. Here it is. Wait, don't block it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. How many digits? So 5. So 0, 5, I think 0, 5. 0, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11 yan. 11. So 5, 11. No, 5. 1. Oh my god. 5. Oh shit. Nakalimutan ko na magpasa ng. Wait. Every 60 seconds. To. So 11. 5, 11. Tapos yung microseconds niya is 1. 5, 11. 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. What? That's my guess. No, not 5, 1, 1, 1. Wait. Let's check this one first. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, tama rin 5. Tama to. Wait, 0, 5, 1, 1. 0, 5, 0, 1. Not that 2. What the hell is this? Like, there's no small ones. So, I can't read it. 1 minute. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 5, 11. 5, 11. Then 5, 11, 0. Try natin yung 5, 11, 0. 5, 11, 0. 5, 11, 0. 0, 5, 11. Mali pa rin. What the hell is this? How do you read this? I forgot. 12. Oh wait, the entire circle is 1 minute. Yes, the entire circle is 1 minute. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60 to. 60 na dito. So 50, 55, 56. Holy shit, I'm absolutely... Okay, wrong. Wait. So 5 dun. 5, 5, 6. 5, 5, 6. 556 na gis eh. So 0, 5, 5, 6. Wrong pa rin. Alam ko 1 minute. 1 minute is the entire circle, right? 1 minute, diba? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 55 dito, so 55. That's 1 or 2. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So 55, 56, 57. So 0557, 0557. Try natin yan. Not 0557. Like, how do you do this? 05. It is 05, right? Or 5. I don't know if I should like count the 05. 05. 05. 5. 05. 05 57 557. Wait, this example, if it's 1040, the code will be 1040. So that's gonna be 05 55. I'm pretty sure it's 0558. 0556 0 60. Five 56 557 5560 5570. Not all of the... what the hell? What the hell? Like what? This is my problem. It specifically said here if it's 1040, the code will be 1040. Time in this room. The time in this room. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 25 26 27 28 29 30 31. Wait, bilangan natin ulit. Dito umpisa 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 6 7 8 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38. So 5 6 38. Okay, just keep in mind that number 38. Oh my god, this is gonna take us so much time. Wait, I'll just figure it out. You know what, I don't care anymore. That's taking too long. Let's just skip that. I don't know about that one. But that is my last one. I only have like 3, so that means that's 1. But I used 1 when I was playing offline, so that's only one left. Okay. Okay, let's skip to that. Treat yourself to all the new noobs juice. How much? 99999. I was going to pay. You are if you want the code to drink. I'm going to be rich. Yes, it's the perfect business. So I don't have any. If you want the code, the drink will be giving me the code. Wait, 5. So it's gonna be 59999. 5. Any secrets? Subukan nga natin 9999999. Give me the code. One more. Only $999 million. How do I pay him? Oh wait, there's. Ayun, oh. Ayun. Ayun na. Ayun. 1902. 1902. Let's go. Alright. Next. Oh shit. This one again. Oh, yun to. Just on the right. 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 Let's go. Alright. Nice. Hug the right. That's the techniques. Left or right. Okay. Click the one or the more they're laughing at you. Oh. They're all laughing. What the hell? That thing. Nope. Now let's see here. Oh, I click it. Oh, ito. Oh my god. Alright, next. Oh, this one. Based on my understanding, is this. Oh shit, no. Nope, 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 nope. Nope. No, no, no. Nice, nice. Alright, right. This easy, so I'll just fast forward this shit because this thing's just a puzzle which is just easy. Oh, oh. Um. Um. I know what. I accidentally click it. Yeah. Let's go. Alright. Wait. 1603. 1603. 1603. So easy. Alright. Okay. I think I don't have any more skips, so I need to do this on a 201. What the hell? What is the goal of this? Oh shit. Oh, bibilangin ko. Alright. Next. Oh shit. Namatay ako. Alright. 1. Which is 30. Okay, if it's not 30, I don't know. I didn't even count. I just like guess. There's so many. Oh my god, it's not 30. Alright, bibilangin ko na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 10, 27, 27, 27, 27, 27, 27. Yes, 27. Let's go! I just count that. I should have like realized it's not gonna be a even number. The code is now climbed 1906. Why? Well, let's try this. Oh my god. Wait. 1906. Yes. 1906. Oh, you can zoom out. Nice. 1906. Ang sabi dito? No way this is making me climb all this. Oh my god, this is infinite. No way. Wait, there's a blue thing. There's a blue thing, so I'll just meet you guys there. This shit. I'm not recording all this shit. I'm not recording all of this shits. Finish it. You still know the code. Oh my, congrats, you made it. I still remember the code. Have fun on the slide. Yes, 1906. Oh, let's go. What is this? Oh, 1906. I'm just 1906, but 1906. Yup. Bro's trying like to make me go back. Alright, now here. Oh my god. The code is A plus B minus C. What? 189. Wait. 7 times 3. 3 times 21. 3 times 21. That's gonna be 63, 14, 17, 23, 20, 60, 63 minus 35. That's gonna be 63, 25. 3 minus 32. What the hell did I just say? No, wait. Minus 35. 3 minus 25. Wait, oh my god, I'm actually gonna be stupid. I'm so stupid. So that's gonna be 23. 23. 37. Let's go. I can't believe I took that long. Took me that long. I don't know about English. The code is length of the wall in studs gets to measuring. The length of the wall in studs. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 pala. Halos doble. Almost double. Oh my god. Let's go. I actually kind of feel stupid about that one, but find the code. If you're crazy, you might know this place. I don't know this place. Alright, next. What if I find the code if you're crazy? Not this. Oh wait, that's what when I see this. I don't know what is this. Like from things like cartoon. Oh my god, where's this code? 4D code. Not that one. Wait, there's something that's my name. It's on my name, guys. I will beat this game. Okay. It's on my name. I'll beat this game. Okay. Wait. 4, 6, 1, 2. 4, 6, 1, 2. 4, 6, 1, 2. That's right. Nope. Ito pala. 9783. 9783. Let's go. Next. Alright. That's it. Find the code. Come on, 940. Knew it, bro. Like, it's just so predictable. So predictable. Oh my god, so predictable, guys. So predictable. Alright, next. Okay. That's just a testing, guys. That's just a testing. Okay. Oh my god, can I just walk here? Like, I don't know if it's jump. Yes, I don't know how to jump. Follow the arrow. Where's the code? I need to jump here. Where's the code? Oh my god, I have to jump. Okay, I'll just... Oh, tao ito. The code is drawn out in the path you took. Oh my god. It now drawn out, so that means he draw it. It's not a word. So there, 5 7 5 2. Oh my god. 5752. 5752. Oh my god. Right, next. Oh, there's a normal parkour, I guess. Oops. What does that mean? Oh, okay. Oh. Imagine like a new one behind me, you know? Like instantly like jump. Ooh. You right? This is easy, bro. I do this for a living. Oh shit. Alright. It's much harder than I thought. But oh well. You could just jump there, okay? Basic, not even close to me. I didn't even sweat on that, bro. I did not even sweat. Like, that's so easy, bro. Alright, next. Okay, so I think it's the number of per square. So what's the next colors? It's the order. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8, right? 8, yeah. 1 2 3 4 4 1 2 3 4 5. So 4 8 5 4 8 4 5 4 4 5 8 4. Wait, what the fuck? I just did 8544 8544 8544 5448 445 4485 4854. Those were not the codes. Okay, let's look around. That means it must be drawn or wrote in one of these shapes. Oh shit, I'm stuck. Oh shit, where's that code, bro? Where's that code, bro? What the hell? Wait, this is 6, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 9. So 6. This is 6. This is 5. This is 4. And this is 9. So 6, 5, 4, 9. 6, 5, 4, 4, 9. This is 9. 6, 5, 4, 9. So nice. I just miscounted. Nice, nice, nice. Next one. Why is it laggy? The hell? Maybe this. Oh, let's not that. I want to do those guys, you know. What is I just noticed once I hit like the 90 mark, there's no more signs. It actually makes it more interesting. 7. Okay, so back. 7. 7. 7 versus 6. I saw that. Ignore myself. I got shit. 6. I should left that. Oh wait, 6. 7. What? 6 again. 6 here, so here's 7 there. 6 there, so that means 1 will be here. Right? Where I'm just looking. How do you look at this one? There's nothing there, right? Valid. Wait, I have a new idea. 7, 6, 7, 6. 6, 7, 6, 7. 7, 6, 9, 5. Oh shit! That's crazy. Right, next. What is this button will do? Alright, I get it now. Fucking bullshit, bro. Oh, this is easy. That's me, alright, that's me. Alright, this is another basic parkour, so not me. The code has the digits. Digit 4 is double digit. Digit 4 is double digit. Condition. So I think this is actually quite easy. The number 3 hint, the sum of the last 3 digits is equal to 15. That means it's 4, 5, 6. So that means 1 is 3. Digit 1 is 3. Now next is digit 3. Digit 3 subtracted by digit 1 is equal to 2, which is 5. So that means this is 5. Digit 2 is, now digit 4, I think, digit 4 is double digit 1. So that means digit 4 is 6. So digit 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. It's actually quite easy. Alright, next. Wait, what is this purple things? Wait, I think I know. Oh, 7. Wait, this digit is the number of lava stripes. What the hell does lava stripes mean? But we'll place 7 there. Number of lava stripes. What the hell is a lava stripes? 7, 6. But how do you get up to there? Wait, there's this thing. Alright, next. This stage is the number of purple cubes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why the hell is it keep saying 6, 7? Like, alright. Lava stripes. What did I say? Lava stripes. Is it this? So 4. I think. I don't know what the hell is a lava stripes, but let's try that. 767. 767. Lava stripes. What the hell does that even mean? Lava stripes. Lava stripes. And I'll just gonna guess it.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
767. Oh, I think 0 kasi there's none. Alright, 9. Alright, 9. Oh, yeah, this is the lava stripes. Told ya. I already knew it, bro. Oh my god, I have to paint again. It's not even a IQ test, you know. But I'll do it anyway. Alright, next. Pink. Let's actually do the let's do 3. This right, this right. Yep, 3. There's 1 here and 1 here. Then we'll need yellow. Didn't even move. Let's just like make the outer shell first. It's gonna be so hard, bro. It's gonna be so hard. Alright, let's do this one. Alright. Okay, let's do the right next. It's gonna be right here also. Oh my god, like this is so annoying, bro. This is so annoying. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Right next. Okay, I think we should like get this color. Let's go. Oh shit. Okay, I need now to stand next to the things. Okay, next. This, then that. Then now next will be here. So this, that, and that. Then the eyes will be here. It's gonna be better black. Whoa, I'm so black. What the hell? Right next, this is it next. Is that right? No, wait, no. It looks like a villager, like they have villager nose. Right here, yeah, here. Just make that there. Then yellow. Then I need now to like make that there. Then make this color that. Then this color that. Then it's gonna make. Right there we go. I'm sure about to finish. Here, with that, and alright, and here that, and there, just like that, and we're about to finish in here. This is the last one, right? There we go. We're still not finished. What the hell did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? What the hell? What did I do wrong? That's perfect, no? No? She's right. What? What did I think he's a color? These all colors, right? What the hell? Oh my god, I have to redo the everything, bro. Oh my god. We're now at an IQ of 100. Holy shit, what the hell is this? The code is B4 A2 E1 C5.